Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by prepping targeted skin and doing a quick patch test. This prevents surprises. Once done, remove makeup and wet your face until damp but not dripping. Take Dr. Wong's Sulfur soap, create a gentle lather between palms, and apply with light pressure, never rub harshly. The why matters. Sulfur reduces surface oil and has mild antibacterial action, so start with a thin layer. Make sure to avoid the eye area. Rinse hands after handling to prevent transfer. Once lathered, you should work the soap into the problem zones for about 30 to 60 seconds. This contact time lets sulfur act on oils and bacteria. Make sure to keep movements gentle. Firm scrubbing irritates. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water because hot water strips barrier lipids. After rinsing, pat dry, do not rub. If your skin tolerates it, use the soap 2 to 3 times weekly and gradually increase frequency. The why is simple. Controlled exposure balances efficacy and irritation risk. You finish by patting skin dry and applying a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer to restore barrier function. This reduces flaking and discomfort. Once done, store the soap on a dry dish so it lasts longer. Make sure to monitor frequency. Too much, too fast increases irritation. If irritation, burning, or excessive redness appears, stop use immediately, rinse thoroughly, and perform a fresh patch test after recovery. If problems persist, contact a dermatologist. They can advise dilution, alternative products, or prescription options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.